That's right. Today we are talking, what are we talking today, Holly? We are talking coconuts. That's right. So, Holes, talk to me. So what are we putting in today's blend?
So, I will talk first now.
You go.
So, we've got a healthy banana.
Perfect.
Bananas are really healthy.
Awesome. Energy food.
Sort of like meat, but not chicken meat.
Young coconut meat.
Yeah, young coconut meat, but not chicken meat. Why would that be chicken meat?
Exactly. That would be weird. What else have we got, love?
So, we got
Cacao.
cacao,
Raw cacao.
a spoon,
Okay, handy. That's not going to taste very well, but there we go. And
some coconut water, and a coconut.
perfect. So, this is going to be a fantastic blend together. It's going to taste incredible.
And the ice.
And the ice is going to taste incredible. Real perfect mixture of taste and blends and everything. More importantly, it's full of essential fats, saturated fats, medium chain triglycerides, and also we got a lot of manganese and also magnesium from the chocolate, which is going to be basically essential for brain health and our nerves as well. So ironically enough, I know it's Mental Health Awareness Week. This one here is going to be incredibly for feeding your brain in the right way, because we all know that things like a chocolate bar or something like that will have the perfect mix between sugar and fats. So it gives you something called a bliss point, which is very similar to a cocaine hit, and it will lead you, make you happy, but then it'll also you just want more. This particular product, this particular mixture here, is going to be incredible for feeding your nerves and the brain in the right way.
Because we got everything what we need, so these are all healthy.
Correctamundo.
So banana is healthy.
Should we start by putting it in here, Holes? Do you know, peel the banana for me, please, darling? Young coconut meat is actually a bit translucent. It's really easy, a lot to take off, and it's a lot thinner than your more mature coconuts. Yeah. Okay. Whew. There we go. That's well done, darling.
Coconut water.
There we go. Perfect.
And now a banana.
We'll put the ice in last. We're going to give this a quick blend up. We'll see you in 2. Right, here we are. We're back in the room. So I'm going to, as this is a vacuum blender, just going to press up. And you heard that? It's like a tyre deflating. Just helps improve the nutrients within the blend, keep it last for longer. So pour over some ice. It's super, super hot here today. Now then, you can be the first taster.
Okay.
Let me know what you think, please.
Like it?
Do you like that?
Yep.
Wow. Coconut really comes through there. The consistency of the banana making it a bit thicker, and then of course the raw cacao really coming through there. Like I said, incredible for your brain. It's really feeding the nerves the right stuff it needs. So thank you very much. See you soon.